Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. See the herbs starting with bay and pay and use them according to your need.
Sallow, Bed Mushk, Chinese date, Bear, Aconite, Beige, Bell fruit, Bale curry, Bignonia, Pardhal, Spinach, Palak, Bitter leaf, Pan, Spanwood, Patang, Saxifrage, Pakhan Bed, Bhutia tree, Plas, Bhutia seeds, Pada.
I hope that you will definitely benefit from this video. Share this video with your friends and relatives so they can also benefit from it. See you in the next video. Until then, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon.